Gentlemen, let me ask you something honest. Have you noticed your body slowing down lately? Your mornings take a little longer to start, your energy doesn't last as it once did, and your confidence just doesn't feel the same. If you're nodding right now, stay with me because today, I'm going to share something most men over 60 never hear from their doctors. It's not a pill, not a supplement, and not an expensive therapy. It's actually something far simpler. A common vegetable that you can find in any grocery store. When eaten the right way each morning, it helps revive your male vitality, improve blood flow, and support natural hormone balance. And the best part is, you can start feeling the difference in just a few days. Hi, I'm Dr. Luna, a urologist and men's health expert. For more than 10 years, I've helped men in their 40s, 50s, and 60s naturally restore their energy, strength, and confidence without depending on medication. And through those years, I've observed something fascinating. The men who consistently include certain natural foods in their morning routine age completely differently from those who don't. They stay alert, strong, focused, and confident, physically and mentally, while others begin to slow down. The real difference often comes down to one small habit: what you put into your body first thing in the morning. You see, as men age, testosterone levels begin to decline slowly, about 1% every year after 40. By the time you're 60, your hormone balance, blood circulation, and muscle function are nothing like they were in your 30s. That's when many men start to notice the change. Slower mornings, weaker motivation, low energy, mood swings, and even decreased performance. But here's the truth that very few doctors explain clearly. These changes are not permanent. Your body is still capable of rebuilding itself, restoring blood flow, and reigniting vitality, but only if you give it the right nutrients to do so. And this is where one specific vegetable plays a powerful role. The vegetable I'm talking about is beetroot. Yes, the bright red root that many people ignore on grocery shelves. What most men don't realize is that beetroot is one of nature's best-kept secrets for male vitality. It's loaded with natural nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes your blood vessels, improves oxygen flow, and enhances circulation throughout your body, including to areas where men need it most. This isn't some internet myth. It's backed by solid science. In fact, nitric oxide is the same compound that medications like Viagra are designed to mimic. The difference is, when you get it from beetroot, your body produces it naturally and safely every single day. That's why professional athletes often drink beet juice before intense training or competition. It gives their muscles more endurance and oxygen. And for men over 60, that same effect translates into more stamina, energy, and better blood flow overall. When you make beets part of your morning routine, here's what starts to happen inside your body. First, your blood flow improves dramatically. Beetroot helps open up your arteries and allows blood to move more freely. This can help reduce blood pressure and deliver more oxygen and nutrients to every organ in your body. Second, your energy production increases. The additional oxygen helps your cells work more efficiently, so you feel less fatigue and recover faster from daily activity or exercise. Third, beets support hormone health. They contain a natural mineral called boron, which helps support testosterone metabolism and maintain a healthy hormonal balance. Fourth, they protect your heart and prostate. The antioxidants in beetroot help reduce inflammation, protect the prostate gland, and keep your cardiovascular system strong. And fifth, as all these benefits build up, men report a noticeable boost in overall confidence, stamina, and drive. That's because with better blood flow and hormonal support, your body begins to function like it did years ago, strong, alert, and ready. Now, let's talk about how to use beets properly. There are 3 simple and effective ways to add them to your morning routine. Method 1. Raw beet smoothie. Take 1 medium beet, peel and chop it, add half an apple, 1 small carrot, half a lemon, and 1 cup of water. Blend it all together and drink it on an empty stomach. Method 2. Pure beet juice. Take 100 to 150 milliliters of fresh beet juice about 30 minutes before breakfast. It's quick, simple, and very effective. Method 3. Roasted or boiled beets. If you prefer solid food, boil or roast your beets and eat them with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The secret here is consistency. Take it every morning for at least 2 weeks, and you'll begin to feel your body respond. And if you want to multiply the results, combine beets with 2 natural partners that enhance the effect. Partner 1. Garlic. Garlic helps relax blood vessels even more, supporting heart health and healthy circulation. Partner 2. Pomegranate. Pomegranate increases nitric oxide levels further and adds powerful antioxidants that protect male hormones and cells. Here's a simple formula many men love. Mix 1 small glass of beet juice with a teaspoon of crushed garlic and a few pomegranate seeds. It's a natural powerhouse drink that can transform your mornings. In one scientific study, men who drank beetroot juice daily experienced up to 20% improvement in blood circulation within just 2 weeks. Another study showed that it helped lower blood pressure and enhance stamina in older adults. And in my own medical practice, I've seen men in their late 60s and even 70s regain incredible vitality simply by starting their mornings with this habit. They feel more energetic throughout the day, their focus improves, and many even say their partners notice the difference. But there's one mistake I see far too often. Men try it once or twice, then stop because they expect instant results. Remember, your body needs time to rebuild nitric oxide pathways and restore healthy circulation. Be patient, stay consistent, and let nature do its work. Avoid adding sugar or artificial flavors to your beet drink because they cancel out many of the natural benefits. And if you're on blood pressure medication, check with your doctor before adding beet juice regularly to your diet. To make your results even better, combine this habit with a few simple lifestyle practices. Take a 20-minute morning walk, do light leg exercises or stretching, sleep 7 to 8 hours each night, stay hydrated, and avoid smoking or heavy drinking. These small actions, combined with the natural power of beets, can completely transform how you feel and perform. So, gentlemen, if you're over 60 and tired of feeling tired, remember this: your body hasn't given up on you. It's simply waiting for the right fuel to perform again. Start your day with this simple vegetable, give it 2 weeks, and feel the difference for yourself. Nature has already designed everything you need to stay strong, vibrant, and confident. You just have to use it. I'm Dr. Luna, and I hope this message inspires you to take control of your vitality the natural way. Share this video with another man who deserves to feel young and strong again. Stay healthy, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.